Video inspection of the Haas SL-20 with a tailstock. Has the VOPA group, 20 horsepower, dual drive, vector dual drive with a tailstock and a tool setter. Control panel. This machine has 282 cut hours. High intensity lights.
I think it'll be alright.
Has the alarm light on top of the control. Dual foot pedals. Auger, chip auger, coolant system. It's an SL-20T, new in 2006 with 280 hours. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Just want to see it jog.
Yeah, let's just see it jog first and make sure everything's working fine.
Okay, here's X. Where are we at? Oh, 0 return. Well, hold on a second. We might have to home this out first.
Not even a sound. Okay, and Z? I'm about 10 inches from the table, or from the cross slide. Okay, index turret.
Door is open.
No,
This is still got all the
safety is in there.
yeah, as it should. No, it's in the truck section. Sorry, I haven't been on this machine. Still alarm. Maybe edit that one.
Okay.
What's going on here?
Okay. Oh. Okay, you got the spindle. Can we open it now or no? Is it gonna put an alarm out?
Yeah, it'll
Okay.
stop.
It'll stop. Okay.
So default on how fast
Right.
the door opens.
So the spindle's going, but we can run it up to 1,000 or 2,000 RPM. Index works fine. Tailstock works fine, and it's got a wash, spray wash. And let's go ahead and run that RPM up if we can.
Should be already get to 1,000 for the spinner.
It's not yet. Yes, it is. It's 1,000 RPM. I'm filming through the door right now.
We want 2,000?
Sure. Yeah, 2 and then 3 is fine.
2,000.
This is 2,000. You can hear the machine kick up. And 3,000. That's 3,000 RPM. Just the back of the spindle at 3,000 RPM. Okay, that concludes the inspection of the Haas SL-20T.